Hello students, let us see the problem number 4 student, what the problem is all about. Okay, so in the 4 problem they are saying arrange the following alkanols, okay, alcohols 1, 2, 3. So this is what is known as 1, this is 2 and this is third, okay. In order to their reactivity towards acid catalyzed dehydration, okay. So dehydration reaction, if you talk about dehydration of alcohol, so this is what student E2 mechanism follows. What student follows E2 mechanism, E2 mechanism. So E2 mechanism means they are for first point is what student, the first point is E2 mechanism, okay, that you have to keep in mind. What is the second point which we have to keep in mind? That is carbocation form, okay. Second point, carbocation forms, okay, carbocation formed. Third point student, rearrangement take place, rearrangements takes place, that is first, third point. Fourth point, what we can say student, okay, that is greater the stability of carbocation, greater the stability of carbocation, greater the stability of carbocation, okay, stable the product, okay. So greater the stability of carbocation, stable the product. So dear student, you see what the point are there, these are there. So first one you see student, first one, this is the 1 degree, this is what the degree student, here is high, this is 3 degree and this is what is 2 degree. So order of stability, 3 degree carbocation more stable, then 2 degree carbocation, and then okay, then 1 degree carbocation. So this is the decreasing stability, this is what student, this is the decreasing stability, this is nothing but this is the decreasing stability. So if you find out this one decreasing stability, what can be correct answer? So that is, this is the 3 degree na, so that is 2, okay, option 2, this is second, then which one will come student, third, and then first. 2 3 1, this we have to follow, this is the 2 3 1, which is correct option, 2 3 1, option number third is there student, 2 3 1. Why I am saying this, you can go, you can check with the option, the first one, if you are checking with the option, the first one, you can write down the first compound. Here is the first compound, CH3, this is CH, this is CH2, okay. Here is again CH2 and here is OH, right, here is CH3. So this is 1 degree. If you are doing this one, firstly it absorbs the water molecule on a proton here, so it will give the protonated alcohol CH3, this will give CH, okay, this will give CH, here is again CH3, this is CH2, this is CH2 and OH2. So this is the positive charge. So next step, removal of water molecule will be taking place student. So you see this is the compound CH3, this is CH, right, this is the CH2, here is the CH3 and here is, so what is the degree of, here you can see student, what is that, is 1 degree carbocation, this is forming what, 1 degree carbocation, so less stable. Next one you see the B number option, what is the B number, here you can see this is the B number, 3 degree alcohols, okay. So in the 3 degree alcohol you can see CH3, C, here is OH, here is CH3 and then it is CH2 and there is finally CH3. Here you, if you are taking that is H plus, it is absorbing here, so it is forming the protonated alcohol, CH3C, here is OH2, here is what is CH3, this is CH2 and CH3, this is what is the positive charge, okay, loss of water molecule will be taking place. So here is CH3, C, this is the positive charge, here is CH2, this is CH3 and here is CH3. So this is the 2 degree carbocation, 3 degree carbocation. So first structure is 1 degree and second structure is 3 degree. Last option you see, what is the last one, this one, 2 degree alcohol, okay. So how can you be able to draw the 2 degree alcohol? You see the structure, it is there CH3, that is twice is there, then it is CH, here is CH, here is OH, and this side CH3. If you are taking the H plus, it will absorb, so it will form like that protonated alcohol, CH3, this is twice, this is CH, here is what will happen student, CH, okay, OH2, and that is CH3, okay, this is positive charge, here it will terminate out, so what it is the minus water molecule, so you can see here what the product, CH3, this is twice, okay, here is the CH, right, here is the CH, this is the positive charge, here is CH3, so how many, this is the 2 degree carbocation, this is, so stability order of the carbocation, that is 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree carbocation, na. So which is 3 degree, that is second one is the 3 degree, so second one is the our option, then 2 degree, third one is the 2 degree, and then first one, so this is the order, so 2 3 1, which is correct one student, 2 3 1, so this is option 2 3 1, option number third is correct. Thank you so much for watching dear students.